Welcome back, everyone. Today we'll walk through how to link SendGrid with Bubble.io, a no-code platform for building web apps. By integrating these two, you can automate email sending directly from your Bubble app. First, in your Bubble dashboard, navigate to the plugin section. Search for the SendGrid plugin. Install it and configure it by adding your SendGrid API key. If you don't have an API key yet, log into your SendGrid dashboard. Go to Settings, click on API Keys, and then you go ahead and create one. Once your API key is added to the plugin settings, you can start sending emails. To set this up, go to the Workflow section in Bubble. Here, create a new action that triggers an email send whenever a form is submitted or an event occurs. Select the SendGrid plugin action and map the form fields like name, email, and message to the appropriate fields in the email template you're using in SendGrid. Once configured, test the integration by submitting a form in your Bubble app to see if the email is sent through SendGrid. If everything's set up correctly, you should receive the email shortly. This integration is a great way to automate communication in your app. Be sure to subscribe for more tutorials. If you haven't tried SendGrid, just hit the link in the description and get your free trial today.